Shooter ready?
Yep.
Stand by. Time 55.39. 55.39. Go down and check them.
See my pistol getting a little bit high. Let's see how it scores. Alright, so this rifle we're down 3, 4, 5. This one we're down 1, 2, 3. So we're down 1. So 5. 3 is 8. 1 is 9.
So all over 90.
This one we're down 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So right above a 90.
Right.
End time 55.39.
Alright, so
Sweetness.
that's a 91. So that's down 9. And then what were we down on the others?
You were down only 1 on that, so 99. 3 down, 97. Then 3, 4, 5, so 95. So 91, 99, 97, 95.
So 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 points down. That makes it a 3, because you're going for 400, right?
Yep.
So that would be a 372.
Okay.
Is that right?
Yeah. So 372. Nice.